Chelsea Handler is back in hot water. The comedienne posted a tweet going after politician Lindsey Graham for his relationship with Donald Trump, saying he was a closeted homosexual who feared Trump would out him. But she used a little more colorful language, and we don't want to repeat it. Either way, she was quickly called out for it and labeled a homophobic. Handler, GLAAD, and the Human Rights Coalition have not yet commented on the story. But people are saying that if someone from Trump's circle had made the comment, they would immediately be skewered and feel the wrath. While others point out that Chelsea has been a longtime friend to the LGBTQ community. What do you think? What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.